This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the slide deck you want to adjust. Once open, make sure your browser zoom is at 100% so the Google Slides UI behaves predictably. Next, look to the View menu and the zoom controls in the toolbar. You'll use those first. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, note them now. Begin by selecting a slide to focus on so subsequent zoom changes apply to the content area you're working with. Now adjust zoom using the View Zoom menu for preset options such as 50%, 100%, and 200%, which change the canvas scale. Alternatively, use the toolbar Zoom drop-down for faster switching. Keyboard shortcuts, Control or CMD++ or minus, let you nudge zoom without opening menus. If you need to inspect fine details, zoom in and pan with the canvas. If you want to check the final look, finish by choosing a stable editing zoom. 100% is best for alignment and print accuracy, then save changes. If your layout appears off, quickly reset zoom to view fit or back to 100% to restore expected spacing. Make sure to check objects with guides and rulers after resetting. If zoom controls stop responding or the interface looks buggy, reload the tab and clear the browser cache. That often resolves rendering glitches. If problems persist, try a different browser to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.